Hello everybody, MD Polo here at Range USA in Carmel, Indiana. Today I'm shooting the Canik MC9. I did a video on this not too long ago and I was pretty impressed by it, but the trigger left a bit to be desired. So we're going to take it to the range again today and see what it's all about, and hopefully it'll feel a little bit better than it did at the tabletop. We got 15 rounds loaded of MagTech 150. And we're set out about, roughly about 8 yards away. So, we're loaded, ready to go. Let's see what we do. Very controllable. That was a little bit high. It's definitely point of aim. Oh wow, I pulled that one. That was a nice flinch. That was a very nice flinch. It's a very controllable gun. Let me bring the target in and flip you around. Shooting at this number 6 right here. The light is a little bit darker than I would like it here, but we've got all of them. This is the one I mentioned I pulled, but the rest of them are right here. So let me reload and we're going to shoot at this number 4 and see how we do. Stay tuned. Okay, we're back. We're going to put the second mag through it, through the MC9. We're still shooting the 115 grain from MagTech. We're going to go to the number 4 on the top right corner of the target. And now we've got a little bit better idea on how it shoots. Let's try it again. Pull that one. Try to get my thumb out of the way. I thought I got my thumb out of the way. We're clear. I thought I got my thumb out of the way on that one, but it still didn't lock back on me. Let's bring that in. I mentioned that I pulled one, and it was also, once again, my first mag. I pulled that one right here. Second, I'm right here. All of them are right in this area, so well within my medium-sized fist. But here's the one I pulled right here. So that was 10 rounds right there. So this one was 15, and that one was 10. Put a few more down here in the number 3 and see how it goes. I'm going to try to give you a different perspective here, and not sure how it's going to work. Trying to aim around the camera, but let's give it our best try. Pull that one. Shooting a little bit left. That one went right. Low, low. And once again, I thought for sure I must be riding the slide release. We are empty. No mag. The gun is safe. But Canik METE MC9 I really like it. I really like it. I'll show you the target. So those two were the first two when I was aiming properly, and that's when I was doing right now around the camera. So they're a bit lower, but not bad. Not bad at all. Professional production at its best. But the Canik METE, so what do I think of it is, it's really nice. Fits the hand very well. It's balanced. The recoil impulse is very manageable for a gun that size. And if you think about it, that it comes, you can make it, I believe, I'm going by memory, I apologize for this, but I think it comes with a 13 round and a 15 round mag, or a 12 and a 15. Please correct me down below, I should know this. But also the fact that you can put in all the other Canik mags, a 15 rounder, 18 rounders, whatever else you have, you can put it in this little gun. So that's actually, you know, quite remarkable. Oops. There we go, that's a little better. So the Canik MC9 METE, this is a 15 rounder, and once again, excuse the noise in the background. I'm at Range USA, and I'm gonna cut this short because we just got a tornado warning, and so I gotta get out of here, go home. But so early, this could become my next carry gun. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about the METE? Have you shot it? And what has been your experience with it? I was not very kind to it in my comments on the tabletop regarding the trigger. But let me tell you, once it's out here on the range, let me do it this way. I can tell you right now that what I told you on my tabletop does not apply to the reality of shooting it. It is a wonderful trigger, especially for a self-defense trigger, a carry pistol. The issue that I thought that I had with a double reset, non-existent out here at the range when you're shooting it. It is a wonderful trigger. Canik did a fantastic job, and I guess lesson learned about opening my mouth before I get a chance to really spend time with it. So that's a bad on me. Wonderful stuff. Good job, Canik. Look forward to your comments. Please remember I upload videos every Friday morning, and when I can on Wednesday mornings as well. I'm very active on Instagram, and there you can see what's coming down to the channel way before it hits YouTube. So if you want to give me a follow there as well, I would appreciate it. Thank you for your support. I'm trying to grow the channel, and we're on our way to 15,000 subscribers, so I'm very thrilled about that. And thank you for your support and for sticking with me as I grow through this journey. It's starting to get busy here. I don't know why. We should all be at home right now. Tornado warning. I gotta go, guys. Thank you for stopping by, and God bless.